So it is April 30th, Thursday, 11 p.m. I'm about to go to bed, and I just remembered because obviously a lot of acne has to do with not just washing your face and what you eat, but also how you sleep and what you sleep on. I'm about to test this specifically designed to like not touch your face pillow kind of pillow. So it's called Sleep and Glow. It's called an anti-aging pillow, but really it helps your face not get suffocated. There we go. Anyway, I'll put you down on the floor. I want to open this. I have an old like sleeping pillow that forces you to sleep on your back, but there's no sides. I'm a side sleeper, so the fact that this has like freaking sides, I am all for that. So I'm going to switch out my pillowcase and I'm going to be sleeping with that, and then we are just going to test out how the heck this pillow works. It's very weirdly shaped. These pillows I feel like are very, very new, and I feel like they're just starting to get known now, even though like I've always been obsessed with those types of pillows. If this can prevent your face from smushing in the pillow and not getting breakouts, like what the heck, that is amazing. Okay, I'm going to put my satin pillowcase. I'm just curious how this, oh my god. Oh my gosh, this is legit. There's like a dip on the side. Ooh, that's comfy. It like gives your head a little hug. Okay, well, let's see how this goes. I'm going to test this every day, and we'll just see how I sleep and how this plays out. So this will be interesting. I'm gonna go to bed, so yeah, peace. It's now Friday. Then I open this. It's so cool. Apparently they tell you like the actual parts. I didn't even realize this. I didn't even open this until now, but apparently it's like number 1 is supposed to be like face cradle for sleeping, zone for head positioning is 2, head for cradle sleeping on your back, upper head support bolster, neck support bolster, I don't know what a bolster is, shoulder cradle, like it shows everything, but I should probably read through this before I continue on. An anatomically correct shape provides you ultimate comfort during sleep. Everything's memory foam. Apparently this pillow contains silver ions. What the heck is that? Our pillow's material has bacterial, antiviral, antifungal effects, so that's good, I guess. Natural fabric, prolongs eyelash extensions, which is amazing. All the sleeping positions you can sleep in, and then there's me. Actually, I don't sleep on my stomach at all. I actually sleep on my sides, hence why I love this pillow. When I slept with this pillow, it felt like my head was just being hugged. Like it felt literally like a cradle, like that they were saying in the book. It was a weird feeling at first, but then after I kind of adjusted, and then I was like, I found a good position, and I was like, okay. And then as the night went on, I'm like, okay, you kind of adjust to it, and you like, okay, apparently they have a pillowcase. It'd probably be more smarter to get like the actual shape, because their pillowcase is like designed and like shaped like the pillow. Here we go. I'm so tired again. I literally cleaned the walls in my apartment just now. I'll see you tomorrow. It is Saturday, May 9th. So I've been using this pillow for a while. That's the thing. I'm just like, do I put my face here? Do I put it like up front? Like where the heck do I put it? I tried looking at the diagram. It just looks so confusing. So I think at this point, it's a matter of just you have to move your head in a position and you kind of have to guess your way. Because honestly, at the end of the day, you can look at a diagram all you want. But like if it doesn't feel good to you, like you should probably adjust accordingly. It took me a while. Again, it took me all this time. That's why I haven't really been vlogging that much, because I'm just like, I was super excited at first. So now I pick up the camera and I feel like I'm finally starting to feel my way through this. Seriously, like the majority of your face literally just doesn't get touched, right? Because of this thing. But the only thing is like this portion of your face. So at least not your whole half is getting squished. It's just like this much. Even if it's just at that, like that's such a dramatic improvement. I feel like the more I use this pillow, the more I can kind of again get used to it. It's like training a muscle almost. So I feel like the more I use it, the more I'll be like, okay, and then I'll like be able to eventually train my face to just not touch the pillow at all. Especially if you're one of those people that don't change your pillowcase often like I do, then this is probably super, super helpful, just because barely any corner of your face is touching the pillow. It's just like a small amount as of now. I'll tune in when I have anything else interesting review to say. So it is Saturday, June 6th. I guess it's been a little bit. I've updated you with my journey with the pillow. This is what it looks like. I just have the pillowcase off right now. And I definitely observe without the pillowcase, there's like just less fabric touching my face in general. And like you see this little like dip, so you can put your head here, and then that's where your face goes. So your ear goes here, and I guess your face goes here, and then you can lie on your back, which I haven't really been doing just because I'm a side sleeper in general. So this has been like the easiest way. Only thing is this is super thick, and sometimes I feel like I'm getting choked. So I don't know, maybe this pillowcase is upside down. Only thing is like I would get confused like what angle, I get mistaken for like, oh yeah, this is way better. Okay, I don't feel like I'm being strangled. You just have to know and keep in mind what side of the pillow is right side up or upside down or backwards or forward. But other than that, literally there's like barely any product. No product from my face came onto the pillow. So that's definitely the pro of this pillow. Even from rolling from side to side, for the most part, your face would fall into the crevices and the pillow would save your face. And I feel like my face is not touching the pillow for the most part. So that's the pros, face pillow. Like, I love these things so much. The only negative thing, even though it has been 1 month every night using this pillow, like, this is a feeling that you just have to get used to, because it's like, how else is your face gonna be supported? So then it won't want to like move around. So this bottom thing right here just took a little bit time to get used to. Where am I supposed to put my face and my neck and stuff? I still kind of find myself squirming a bit every night. But honestly, like, if you are a dedicated skincare person, like, you do not want to get any product on your pillow, or if you do struggle from like bacterial external acne, then this pillow definitely would be worth the occasional struggle or like fidgeting that you kind of have to sacrifice while getting one of these pillows. I don't have any complaints. It's more of just kind of like an annoyance more than an inconvenience. Like, it works and it functions good. It's just a slight annoyance that I'll have to like adjust my neck on occasion. That's my overall reviews on this pillow. It's pretty much been the same. It's a matter of getting used to the feeling of it. Anyway, would I recommend this pillow? In conclusion, yes, I would, but I feel like it's for the acquired kind of small group or big group. I mean, if you're all subscribed to my channel, I assume that you like skincare and you're pretty dedicated. I feel like the dedicated people that want to go the extra mile to like take that extra step in skincare, making sure during the night your face doesn't get tugged or indented or have any skincare come up, because all those things combined, they will of course speed up the aging process, the wrinkling process. So getting a sleep pillow such as that, it's not a bad idea. The pillow will definitely help reduce all of those problems. So again, those are the people that really want to take their skincare to the next level. I'm hoping everyone sleeps at least 6 to 8 hours a night, and 6 to 8 hours or 6 to 10 hours a night, that's still quite a long time. It could be like a quarter to like half of a day just sleeping for some people, who knows. So just the fact that your head is like smushed against the pillow for a long time, I could see how that can contribute to aging, can like loosen the skin, etc. The only con is, again, of course, if you are very accustomed to certain pillows and you're used to like a certain make or design or feel, if you're super sensitive to what pillow you go to bed with every night, then this might not be for you. But you do get used to it and it is very, very comfortable. Like, I have no complaints at the end of the day. Like, I love these types of pillows because I just know the end result and how good they're gonna treat your skin. But I do admit they're pretty weirdly shaped, so I don't blame for people that are just not going to get used to it. But overall, it's not a big deal. But anyway, yeah, that's a little summary I have with the pillow. I've been using a beauty pillow for the past 2 years, I think. So this is basically going to be replacing the one I was using. Anyway, I will end it off here. I hope you found this somewhat informative or made you realize that beauty pillows exist. But if you are interested, I do have a coupon code, SoniaAnastasia10, to save $10 off your purchase, and I can link their company down below. They're not sponsoring this or anything. They just kindly sent me the pillow because I guess maybe they saw my past pillow review video or not. I don't know. I hope you have a good day, good night, wherever you're watching this. Please subscribe if you want to see more of me. I post every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss a video I post. All my social media links will be linked down below, as well as this pillow. I will link that down below, and subscribe to my second YouTube channel. If you all don't know, hello, my name is Sonia. I'm a music producer and I produce music. So if you're into EDM pop, house, kind of bright, bouncy type music vibes, definitely consider checking out my second channel. I will link down below, and lots of virtual kisses and hugs, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, peace.